Hello and welcome to Erin Lee's Beauty. I'm Erin and today I have a couple subscription boxes from the month of January. I know today's January 31st, so it's technically still January, but I have to go over this stuff before it turns into February, so we're going to have quite a few things that we're going to be going over today. I do have Medusas Makeup, Allure Beauty Box, and then in a separate video I'll be putting a glam bag and a glam bag plus. If you're interested in seeing that, just keep your eyes peeled out for that video. So I want to start today with Medusas Makeup, and I'm going to be perfectly honest with you, with this in particular subscription this month, I was debating whether to even film it or not. I do currently work with Medusas Makeup, however, after this experience, I'm not really sure if I want to continue working with them or how much more longer I will be working with them. Just because of the simple fact that customer service was subpar for me. I really didn't enjoy the items inside of the bag this month, so I did contact them and I let them know. We'll talk more about that after we're done unbagging the bag, so you guys can get a kind of feel of what I'm talking about. Medusas Makeup is a vegan cruelty-free beauty subscription. It costs $18.99 a month. You can get a yearly subscription in which you will get the bag for cheaper. I do recommend, however, to do the month by month just to see if you like it at first or if it's really something for you. I do currently still have a code listed in the description below that will save you a little bit of money but help me out at the same time. So you're more than welcome to use that in the meantime. They always include a little card in here with the product description and the value of everything on the back here, which I do think is a nice touch. I do like that they do that. They do always package everything with love. Everything comes really well packaged, so you don't have to worry about getting anything broken or damaged. So this month's bag value is supposedly $62.95. I really don't think it is that, because let's just get into the items. I'm so sorry. I keep getting ahead of myself because honestly this month's bag kind of upset me a little bit. First item is actually a clearance item. Rage Against the Bean Lip Balm, valued at $2.99. However, they have it valued as $8.95 on here. This has been in clearance for quite some time. They just recently took it out when I filed a complaint about having a clearance item in the bag. So there's that. And next up is a single wipe as an item valued at $3, which was the other reason why I was really upset with the bag this month, just because a single wipe as an item, I don't care if they throw it in as a bonus item, but it's kind of insulting to have a single wipe as an item in a bag, to me anyways. But I do really enjoy this eyeshadow they put in here. It's like a green color. It's almost looks brownish on camera because it's like dual chromed. See, this is valued at $14 for this eyeshadow. It's in the shade MV. So let's go ahead and open this up and see what this color looks like swatched. I do really like dual chrome shades. So this is the color swatched. It almost has like a golden look to it. It is green, but it looks more goldish to me on the skin. But I do really like it. And next up is mascara from Peony Cult Lashes. Mascara for thick, bouncier lashes. This also, everything in here is vegan cruelty free. So even though it's an outside company, it still has that promise on all the products here. This is valued at $23 for this mascara. I really hope it's a good mascara. $23 does seem on the higher end. I'll definitely have to try this and let everyone know how it is. I'm not going to actually open it right now because that kind of starts the clock on it. I do have a few open mascaras already, so we're not going to open that right now. And the last thing in here I'm actually the most excited for is Medusas Makeup Bronzer. This is valued at $14. Absolutely love the packaging on it. It reminds me of like Hawaii or Florida or someplace nice and warm where it's currently not here. Okay, so it does look like a pretty universal bronzer. I'm wondering how it shows up on the skin. It's called Sun Kiss Bronzer. Definitely has pigment there. I do like that. You can blend it out. So if you're a lighter complexion like myself, you can blend it out to make a nice bronzer. It does have a nice highlight to it as well. So that's everything this month in the Medusas makeup bag. The reason why I was so upset is because I feel like if one of you all out there had subscribed to this box and was genuinely upset and concerned with this subscription, that customer service would do a better job on trying to make you happy. I felt like they were kind of like pushing me off, like, oh, well, I'm so sorry, we can't please everyone. I hope you like next month's box. And I was like, well, you know, you're not going to do anything to try to make this better for me. And they were like, oh, we'll put something in your next bag. Kind of like just brushing me off, like I just wanted something for free, which I didn't. I just wanted to be able to come with you guys and tell you, hey, this is what Medusas Makeup does whenever you're generally upset or generally dissatisfied with your products, what they do to make it better. So I can't really give you a good report on that because my report is not really the best. But as of right now, I'm going to continue to open their boxes on bags on my channel. However, if I do get another situation like this again, I will not be doing this beauty subscription on my channel anymore. And we do have the Allure Beauty Box, which I love. $23 a month for this beauty subscription. If you love skincare like myself, you will absolutely love this box. You get a wide variety of skincare with a couple makeup items inside. They do promise you 3 full-size items, and the other ones are normally like deluxe size items. Let's go ahead and see what is in here. This looks like a little bit of a different box this month. We do always get like a little magazine with everything listed inside and just some information about the products and why they chose the products. So if you don't know, Allure Beauty Box is curated by the people who make Allure magazines, and the editors go in and they pick out different items and they explain to you what they are inside of this booklet. So I am super excited because there was a couple different variations this month. Like you could get a hair spray or you could get this leave-in hair treatment, and it's from Christoph Robin, which I've heard is a really good hair care brand. And this is a full-size leave-in cream, which I was hoping I would get this versus the spray just because I would have more use. I use leave-in conditioners and stuff more often than I would use any kind of spray in my hair. So definitely excited to get this. I can't tell you the value of the entire box because a lot of the stuff is like deluxe size items. But I will tell you the value of the full size items that I get in here. And this full size is actually valued at $43 for this. So that is an amazing deal already. We have our box paid for and something that I liked and that I wanted. And then next up we have Perfect Strokes Universal Volumizing Mascara in the shade Black from Rare Beauty from Selena Gomez. I excited to try this. I don't really have a lot of things from her collection yet. So it does look similar to like her tinted lip balm packaging, I feel like, to me. It's like a pastel pink, almost on the verge of being white, valued at $20. So there is that. It shows a picture of the wand on here. It just looks like a basic looking wand there. But cool, I'm excited to have something else from hers in my collection. And then either you could get eye mask or a face sheet mask. And I was really happy and fortunate that I got eye mask because I absolutely love eye masks. And I prefer over a sheet mask, to be perfectly honest. So this is what I got. It's from the company Skin Medica Instant Bright Eye Mask. So this would not be considered a full-size item, but I'm still happy to receive it. Next up, it looks like another full-size item. It's from Sunday Riley, which is a really good, more like high-end skincare brand. And it's a Retinoid Eye Serum. It's a wrinkle-fighting eye serum that works to smooth, soothe, and support natural collagen production. So that is neat. Very cute packaging. It's blue, my favorite, and I like how it has the percentages on here. It also has poppy seed in there as well. So let's go ahead and open and see what this looks like. Okay, yeah, super cute. I love the packaging. It matches the outside of the box. It's cruelty free, so that's nice to know as well for those of you. There's some people that really are very serious about the vegan cruelty free stuff. So definitely good to know. So I think that's already 3 full-size items, but to me, this next item in here, okay. So yeah, those were the 3 full-size items, and this is a from Solana MD Healthy Base Layer Vitamin D Enriched Skin Cream. This is definitely a deluxe size sample of the product, but a super cute packaging. It has almost like a leaf-like flower on the front of it, which I do like. And then we have from Plaudelai Paris, I do believe. I could be saying it wrong. I'm terrible at pronunciations. But this is a serum. It's thirst quenching serum. And even though this is a deluxe size, I feel like this is a generous portion for a deluxe size sample. So there's that. That's actually everything that I got in my Allure box this month. So I'm getting ready to post my Ipsy Glam Bag and Ipsy Glam Bag Plus. So if you want to see that, just keep your eyes peeled for that. I'm Erin. Thanks so much for watching.